Welcome everybody to the channel. The purpose of the channel is mainly for update to friends, family, and co-workers, but my wife and I are going to be building an earth shelter to green roof home. It should be highly energy efficient. It's going to be our retirement home, fully ADA compliant, universal design compliant. We're not doing this to try to get up a big following or anything. If it happens, it happens, but we're not planning on that, not planning on making money from it. We're just here to keep people updated with the journey and where we go along. So thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe. Today I'll start out on the top side up here and give you a look over all of what all's there. You can see we've got the better part of 2 of the parapet walls finished and working on the 3rd one. There's 4 of them, and then we haven't started the enclosed patio yet, but you can see here we've got this parapet wall done. The plywood is on the back side. We've got that clamped off to the steel there. We'll still have to do the stuff on the front, but before I can close off the front, we're going to have the HVAC and the plumbers and electricians in to do their work inside the parapet wall. And then this is the second of the next to the largest one, and this one goes in the main living area. Got most of the bottom done, but you can see here there's actually going to be some verticals put in here and a bottom plate because there's an opening like a window. Same thing over on this side that we've got to do. And then as I come around, I show you the other one of the guest bedroom area. And we'll get in here and we'll kind of walk around a little bit. You can see it's got the same stuff done for it, but I'm gonna walk over here where I don't have to duck. So I'm coming into the guest bedroom area. This is where this area right here is where the electric panels and stuff will be. You can see we got a ventilation pipe there, some other electrical pipe in here. There'll be a closet over in this area, and then we would go out the door over to here. There would be a little small closet that would be right in this area here. And then we've got the second bathroom. Shower would be here. Of course, you can see where the toilet is, and then we'd have a vanity here. And then here we've got the utility room. I came over here too. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go up. We redid a little bit of this, put better diagonals in. There's 2 rebar under the diagonals, 3 on top of it. Basically at all the shell-to-shell connections, like the one here, and then the one at the other end of the mud room, laundry room there. At each of the bedroom entrances here, we've got all of that rebar done. There's still some rebar that we'll put in on the back side of these parapet walls. We haven't done that. One of the things that you see here, you see these 2 posts. We needed to be able to put some pressure to do the shotcrete up there. So these things are putting pressure up on the top side up there. And then you can see the shell-to-shell connection as it comes up. We've got the 5 pieces of rebar coming over and coming down on this other side over here. I'm kind of in the main living area. You can see we got the shell-to-shell connections finished here at the pantry with that. So we should be able, probably Monday, Tuesday at the latest, we'll probably finish this parapet wall up. And then the largest one, which is down at the end of the garage over here on the front, that one will probably get done by the end of next week or so. And at that point, when I say done, we'll have the back stuff on it where we need to around the red iron and around the tubing and things. And then I'll start bringing in the other trades, getting them done. I'll probably bring the electricians in first because they've got a lot of stuff to do in the rebar, and they can do a lot of that while they're finishing the build on the parapet walls, and then they can move to their stuff in the parapet walls. plumber and the HVAC guys will have to come in after the parapet walls are finished. But let me get here. I'm gonna try to turn around slow without causing you to get too dizzy, but then kind of back up here and let you take one last look at it. And this is where we are this week. Thanks everybody for joining for this episode. I know that the videos sometimes will be kind of sporadic as we make various progress and have fits and starts as we go through this journey of building our retirement home. Again, if you want to get notified, go on and hit subscribe. But again, we just appreciate you jumping on here and the interest that we have in the journey we're taking on building our retirement home. Thanks again.